Hi, I'm Amy, and I became yet another person who lost their job during the pandemic. So, today I'm going to be transparent and share with you how I lost my job, how I changed my mindset, what you can do to prepare if you do lose your job, and what I'm going to do going forward. So, first, let's talk about the job loss. It came as a total shock to me when I heard those three words: you are terminated. It was during a Zoom call when I heard those three words, and I had no idea that was what I would expect to hear in the meeting. I thought it was just a regular meeting I was going in, and then all of a sudden, you are terminated. Ooh. Ooh. Of course, my immediate reactions was I was so upset. I was like, what? Me? Why? What did I do? Did I do something wrong? What's my performance? All these thoughts were going through my mind. My heart was beating so fast. At the same time, I had to tell myself to calm myself. Calm. Breathe in and out. Calm down. And HR was talking to me about my terms and condition of my severance, and it was just talking head. I was like, whoa, what? And after the Zoom call, I broke down and cried. I was bawling. I literally was crying so much and asked myself, what? Why me? What did I do wrong? I was so upset and confused because I asked if it was my performance, and they said no, it was a budget and restructure. So I was like, okay. So it was like a big stab in the heart because I thought I was doing well. I was getting salary increases, promotion. I've been at what everyone called a stable job in a public sector for the last 13 years. I never thought this would happen to me because every year during my performance review, I get a raving reviews, and people always love me and they enjoy working with me. I get so much done. So I was like, huh? What? Okay. Anyway, let's get out of depression mode. And here's a cute puppy picture. Oh, I love puppies. They always cheer me up. I love just whenever I get upset, I just go look at cute puppy pictures. And if you like these puppies, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So next, I'm going to talk about how I had to pick myself up and adjust my perspective. I basically told myself that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will happen to me, I hope, fingers crossed, and that this is a great chance to start something new in my life. Maybe it's the universe sending me a sign that you gotta step out of your comfort zone and try something new. So I told myself I will use this opportunity to try new things and not get depressed and sulk over this because it's not worth it. And to be honest, I've always been so complacent in my 9-to-5 job. I thought I would be there for a long time because it's a great organization, a stable job, and great co-workers, and a great environment to work in. So I didn't think I would leave anytime soon. So then after I changed my mindset, okay, I'm going to start something new. What should I do? What is there to do? Should I go find a new job? Should I try something new? Should I take some time off? All these things I pondered and pondered and pondered. But not for too long though, because can't waste too much time. So then what I did was I spent a lot of time learning, reading, improving myself, learning new skill sets because there are a lot of different ways to making money and I want to learn and try them. The important part in my mindset shift is that I told myself getting fired isn't the end. In fact, it's a new beginning to try something new, to do what I've never done before and that I've always wanted to do. Was I scared inside? Yeah, of course. I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Making money online isn't as easy. Like everyone says, oh yeah, just do this, you'll make 50K a year. Yeah, do Amazon affiliate, you can do this, or you can do drop shipping, They sound like making money is so easy. So then I had to spend lots of time researching, understanding, learning new skill sets, and how I can apply those to myself. The reason why I wanted to try something new instead of going back to finding another job is because when I had my stable job, I always had ideas. I wanted to do YouTube like 10 years ago. I wanted to start a blog like 6 years ago. Did I do them? Nope. Zero, nada, nothing. Why? Because I got lazy. I had a stable job that I was comfortable in, and I just thought, oh, I'll just coast, I have a good salary, I have good savings, I put into my investment. Okay, that's all. I don't need to do anything else. And even if I did have the ideas, I did start something for, say, a few months. Nope, zero follow through after that. I was a complete failure when it comes to following through on my ideas. Because there's no push, I had a comfortable lifestyle in my stable job. But now looking back, I'm like kicking myself for not following through like 10 years ago or even 5 years ago. Because if I had started it and persisted through these years, I'd be a totally different place than I am right now. But then I tell myself, it's never too late. Really, it's never too late. I can start now. So that's why I'm taking action and going through with all these different ways of making money online. By the way, if you are interested in following my journey where I share tips and tricks on making money online and sharing financial tips on helping you achieve your financial success, consider subscribing to the channel. So I took action and didn't let fear stop me this time because it has so many times before. And why this time is different is because I experienced a huge loss that really hit home for me, and I felt like, nope, this time I'm going to do something different and I'm going to persist through it. There was like this switch in my brain that just switched on, and I was like having this burning desire, like I need to change, I need to do something different. As Jim Rohn has said, everyone should have the goal to become a millionaire, because becoming a millionaire not for the $1 million, but for what it will make of you to achieve it. You will have to become a different person in order to become a millionaire. And this means stepping out of your comfort zone, trying new things, learning new skill sets, connecting with people, doing other things that you haven't thought before, and taking action, massive and determined actions. So if you have recently lost your job, see it as an opportunity, a new beginning, change your perspective. It's time to try something new. And of course, I say this only if you have emergency funding set aside where you can last for 6 months to a year or more, especially if you have a family to feed. So now let's talk about what you can do to prepare if you do lose your job. So I'm in a good financial situation because I have severance payment and I have savings that can last me for a couple years. So this is what you should prepare for is, if you don't currently have emergency savings, definitely save out at least a year and really make sure you keep your expenses low. And if you currently don't have a budget in place right now, definitely start now. You gotta know what your income is, what your expenses are, and what you get at the end of the month. I do have a video on step-by-step budgeting video for beginners, so check that out. And I also have a free budget template that you can download as well. Link in the description below. Because knowing your budget will help you tremendously in understanding how much money you can realistically save up by a certain timeline. And just my thought, always be prepared for a job loss, because there is no job security anymore. No more. No more job security. Those secure job days are long gone. Gone with our parents' generations. Nowadays, they do not exist. Always look out for yourself, because your employer is not going to look out for you. And the other thing you can do to prepare for your job loss is to start a side hustle. Make some extra money. Ideally, you want to be able to create multiple sources of income so that one day, if your main employment job is gone, you still have all these multiple sources of income that can supplement your living expenses. It may not be as much as your daytime job, but the goal is for you to work on these passive income that one day it will surpass your daytime job. Then that's when you can say, bye-bye, boss. See you later, alligator. Okay, now that you have a new perspective and some savings saved up, time to try new things. Learn as much as you can about business, sales, marketing, money management, and ways to make money either online or through different part-time jobs, side hustle, whatever it may be. Learn, learn, learn. Read, read, read. Learn as much as you can. Invest in yourself. Invest in your own education. Build up your knowledge. Your knowledge is yours for a lifetime. And we are so fortunate to be living in today's day where all these information is readily available online. You just need to Google it and you can find all sorts of information on how to do X, Y, Z. So learn and grow. And I would really focus on learning a high income skill set and really master it. Because if you have a high income skill set, you will never ever worry about not having a job because you know someone's going to pay you for your skill set, whether it's through an employment, whether it's through getting your own clients, or even starting a business. Some examples of high income skill sets are like programming, sales, marketing, SEO, technical skills, financial skills, accounting skills, and much more. Your skill set will be yours for life and it will be your most valuable asset. Therefore, I spend a lot of time learning about SEO, about sales, about ClickFunnels, about making money, and technical skills. I learned about editing videos. I learned how to design in Adobe, Photoshop, and Premium, and building websites, and etc. Obviously, I'm still a newbie, but at least I took a step forward and I learned new things and I'm gaining new skill sets. Even though I may be at entry level, but as I progress through, I will get better and better. Okay, my plans going forward. What will I do now that I'm unemployed and kind of happy, to be honest, because I now get to try new things I haven't done before. My plan is I'm working on creating multiple sources of income. By the way, check out this passive income ideas that actually work because that's exactly what I'm doing from scratch. So I'll share with you my journey and my pain points so that you can learn from my mistakes so that you can achieve your financial freedom sooner. Things that I've done in the last 6 months. I've started 3 YouTube channels and uploaded approximately 20 videos so far. I would want it to have uploaded more videos, but I had to go back home in Taiwan to take care of my dad who was having a surgery and he couldn't move. So I was there for a couple months helping him, taking care of him. That kind of stalled my YouTube production schedule. My 3 channels are this channel, the financial channel. I also have a channel on juicing to lose weight because I went through juicing myself where I lost 30 pounds in 60 days. It was a challenging experience. I had lots of questions. I did lots of research beforehand, and I want to share my journey to help those who need to lose weight through juicing because it is a viable option. So that's my juicing channel. Then I started Asian food lover channel because I love Asian food and I live in Vancouver where there's lots of great Asian food, but that got stalled because of COVID. I couldn't go into the restaurants to film because they needed, COVID stuff. So that kind of was put on hold, but I will resume once COVID situation gets better and I hope that's soon. And for the financial channel, I do have a website, financiallyblossoming.com, that I spend lots of time on. I published about 20 blog posts and I have 2 free resources available for download. One is a budget tracker template and the other one is a Roadmap to Financial Freedom ebook. Both are free, and I'll put the link in the description below. And right now I'm almost done with my money mindset workbook, which is basically to transform you from a poor mindset to a rich mindset so that you can start accumulating and building the wealth you can achieve. Now we're at the end of 2021. And going forward in 2022, I will continue working on my online businesses. If you're interested in following my journey, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will share everything with you. And I hope I have provided value to you. And in return, I would greatly appreciate if you can like this video so that it can get out there and help more people. And here's an added bonus, a cute video of my puppy. She just cracks me up every time. And I hope that gives you hope and inspiration for moving forward. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day and a financially blossoming life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.